I will request you to sit in a comfortable position, or you can lie down as well. Just be comfortable with whatever posture you decide for yourself. Close your eyes and take a deep breath and relax completely. Feel the relaxation and remind yourself that your every inhale is allowing you to inhale all the energy, positivity, creativity, and your every exhale is exhaling out all the stress, pain, and tensions from your body. Relax completely, knowing that you are safe and secure. Now, see yourself taking a leisure walk along a path that leads you into a lush green forest. It is very safe and secure. As you walk along this path, every organ of your body, every muscle of your body relaxes and feels the ease of being themselves. You're very comfortable and you breathe deeply and easily. Every breath calms you more and more. And there in some distance, you're also able to hear the sounds of birds chirping and the beautiful rustle of the leaves as the breeze blows through it. You can feel that sensation of cool breeze on your skin. Enjoy this moment. You are enjoying this moment. As you walk along this path, you're able to hear the sound of water splashing from a stream nearby. And very soon you come to the stream, find a comfortable place, you sit there and you are just resting. While you are resting near this stream of water, you're able to see that this stream of water is magical. It has many properties in it. It has many qualities in it. And that is when you're able to see that it is spreading across the qualities that you have always wanted in you. It's spreading across the willpower, the determination, the confidence, financial independence, fearlessness, courage, peace of mind, positive thought patterns, success, focus, and many more. You're just looking at these qualities running through the stream, and that is when you stand up and you start walking towards that stream. You want to stand under this stream of water And the moment you stand under this stream of water, all these qualities start to pour upon you. They are pouring on you. They are getting into you. Every drop of water from that stream is bringing in determination, willpower, discipline, focus, success, financial independence, positive thought patterns, creativity, peace of mind, and many more qualities in you. You are experiencing that you are absorbing these qualities in you. And by absorbing them, you feel a gush of self-confidence running through you. You feel that your entire body is emitting a very strong, magical aura around you. You have attained these qualities. You are going to operate from these qualities. Now, you plan to come out of the stream because you got what you wanted. And as you walk along by coming out of that stream, you are a new person now. You are a transformed person now. You're walking on the grass and you're able to feel that because of your touch of feet, how that grass is becoming more greener because of your power of aura. You are totally changed. You have totally transformed. And now you're walking back and you're coming back to this space. You allow yourself to absorb all these qualities in your present being. And this moment onwards, your entire being will operate from these qualities now and forever in every situation. Remember that. Settle down in this moment. Experience this moment. Take a deep breath. Relax and feel free to lovingly open your eyes and come back in this moment.